This is one of the main reasons why we always say never invest more than what you can afford to lose into cryptocurrency. And it's even worse, even on airdrops. Now, this is just the story of the PAWS Airdrop, a highly anticipated airdrop in the whole Web3 community has just been very dusty. It's almost the week and I have not yet recovered from that dust. I'm still coughing. I'm still sick from that PAWS Airdrop. The dust is full in my lungs. It is just crazy. Now, anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been Uncle Kidere. Welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, of course, I know some of you out there thought Paul was going to buy you the Lambo, was going to give you the chieftaincy title. And I'm just sorry and sad to say that PAWS Airdrop wasn't that airdrop, or at least at this time. Now, it's a little bit of mixed feelings out there, of course. I mean, it's not even mixed feelings. Everyone is out for the same feeling that the PAWS Airdrop did not cook, and that is 100%. It was very dusty. Even the people with the highest of allocations didn't get more than a few $100s. That is freaking insane. I know we were out here calculating, 100 market cap, 200 million market cap. That was not even the case. It was even so far less than that. Now, there could be a lot of things why we saw the price like that. I'm not one to be so reactionary. That's why I'm not shooting the video right now. In fact, when PAWS listed, immediately it listed, I just tweeted out something. I mean, this is nothing but a blatant joke. 0.3 zeros and 3? Huge mistake. I mean, total huge mistake. It was exactly even worse than the pre-market price, guys. Very, very worse. I had an allocation of what? Around 125, and that cost around what? I was with what? $40 or $30. So first things first, we are at huge loss. I mean, 100% of the community is at huge loss from the PAWS airdrop. So this is why, once again, you do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose on any cryptocurrency project. Makes no sense, especially airdrops. Especially airdrops and future trading, all of these things, the volatility, the insecurity, and the roadmap might not just follow your own personal plans. So that is just a very crazy fact. And PAWS just showed us like that. And if you guys notice, I'm even wearing a very dusty t-shirt. That is PAWS. It used to be white. I mean, some of you that watch my videos, this used to be white, but now it looks very dusty. It's just all because of the PAWS airdrop. Very, very dusty. But anyways, as you guys can see, this is the PAWS USDT on BitGet. And apparently my current allocation now is 834,000 PAWS, because apparently I ended up buying a few more. I bought a few more when the price was really, really low. But now, as you guys can see, that is now, but this is the market over here. This is the market. The truth is that PAWS listed for around 0.35. Do not believe this chart. It was around 0.35. And then it kept the price a little bit. It kept the price because no one could sell. Everyone was wondering, this is really dust. What am I selling it for? It is really dust. I'm not yet gotten back my initial investment, so why am I selling? But apparently, loads of people were printing out cash in this period. In all of these periods, people were printing out cash. For example, after the listing, it dropped a little bit. People bought some more. It went a little bit up. People have been printing a little bit of cash on all of this chart. Yesterday, it did a very huge rise back to 0.17, so which is also very decent. But the market has been trading very averagely because no one is dumping PAWS, because no one wants to get into a huge loss. It's totally insane. Imagine having 1 million PAWS and then you can only sell it for $100. That is insane. Makes no sense at all. But who is to say that it will not even be worse in the coming months? Of course, it could be worse, it could be better. But this is the reason why a project's roadmap and plans is very, very important. I mean, majority of the people are thinking PAWS is going to do very well. They have a very good use case currently, and then we are hoping that the prices will currently, rise up in the nearest time. But just know that everything you've invested in it currently is already gone, because you have to wait for a whole hour. Something good has to happen before PAWS will reclaim its perfect price back. But currently, everyone is at a loss. That was pretty huge loss. And it's really sad that we covered this for a couple of months only to get this very abysmal allocation. So guys, I mean, currently that is all I have to say about the PAWS airdrop. There's nothing beautiful about it currently. I mean, it's now clear to say that the whole 2.1 billion seed fund was totally scamming and totally not legit news from the PAWS team. But so far, we're still waiting to see what is going to happen. Currently, this is what is trading at. No one is even interested in all of those trading platforms. For example, Bloom is giving away loads of PAWS token only if you trade $50 worth of PAWS. But come on, no one is interested in all of those campaigns again, because they really let us down with the initial listing. So guys, this is all I wanted to say about PAWS. Remember, do not, and do never invest your hard-earned cash or cash that you cannot spare into any cryptocurrency project at all. So thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.